Are you getting irritated by infinite loading screen on Pokemon Go? Don't worry, in today's video, I will show you how you can solve this Pokemon Go loading screen problem on your iPhone. So, let's get started. But before doing anything, ensure that you have a strong internet connection. Otherwise, check your internet connection by following the process. Solution 1. Check the internet speed. Open any browser, search for an internet speed test, tap on the first link, and check whether you have enough speed or not. If not, then try this next solution. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh on iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh again. Now, make sure to set Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, restart your device. This can sometimes fix minor software glitches on your iPhone. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not, and then try the next solution. Solution 3. Update your Pokemon Go game. Open the App Store, search Pokemon Go. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now open the Pokemon Go app and check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 4. Offload the Pokemon Go game. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Pokemon Go game, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap on Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. So, this is how you can solve your Pokemon Keeps Loading problem on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.